If you are interested in finding out about a rewarding and exciting career in teaching, this online pathway is for you. It involves completing interactive online sessions, from looking at skills and qualities needed for teaching, tips for applying to teacher training, and creating your own mini video lesson, plus much more. The Discover Teaching pathway has been put together by Cardiff University Careers and Employability Service with input from teacher training providers and current teachers, so there's some expert advice in there and first-hand insights into the profession. You can access the pathway online at any time, so it can be completed from the comfort of your own home. Search the Careers account on the intranet and then select the pathway icon to access this valuable resource. So what's stopping you? Start now, gain experience, be competitive.